Hello to all my friends out there. So if you've been following me, you know about the gourmet meat list. And I really like this. I'm going to stay with this. And so tonight is a hamburger night. And so I bought these hamburgers for $5, 8 hamburgers. And these are good size hamburgers. In the end, I think they were more economical than the other hamburger. So I'm going to fry the hamburger, and I'm just going to sprinkle some chopped garlic and some chopped onion. And this makes really good hamburger meat. But I want to make, like, you know, when you go out for a Mexican meal, you get rice, you get beans. But I'm just going to make plain white rice, and I'm just going to heat some beans. And when I heat the beans, I just add water. I don't fry them in oil. And then I'm just going to put some salsa on my tacos. And then I made 2 smoothies this morning. And so we'll have those. And here's the flour tortillas. I'm going to make some nice big tacos. So, okay, I'll be back in a little while with my taco dinner, and God bless you all.